Hello again, this is Ileana and welcome to another video in the Fall Theme series. And we are getting deeper into that season. We're already in that time of the year when the veil, that metaphor, yes, I said metaphor, used to describe an alleged separation between the physical and spiritual worlds, things. I don't want to ruin the fun, but I have something to say. And allow me to make the following disclaimer statement here. The concept of separation is contrary to our advancement. I know that talking about the veil at this time of the year is magical, interesting, and fun, but always remember that energy is all there is, 24/7, any time of the year. What I'm saying is that the concept of the veil is always present, whether it is thick or thin, or is an energetic boundary that we set and keep moving based on our understanding of energy and frequencies, or for visualization purposes, an actual barrier. If I were to choose something for visualization, I will go with Doctor Who's concept of the barrier between worlds, like in the Doomsday and Army of Ghosts episodes, you know, the last two with Rose. It is still a 3D concept, but easier to grow into energy and frequency. Anyways, if we understand frequency and the concept of multidimensionality, then we can pull in the veil or open a portal. That was my disclaimer / rant, so back to the fun and magic and the traditional concept of the veil this time of the year. There are two common themes or concerns or goals for the time when the veil is at the thinnest. Number one is protection from dark forces, and the second is the opportunity to communicate with the spirit world. As for protection, you can check this video if you feel you need protection or manifested a reason for it. I am not going to dwell on this. I will say this though. Be aware of your point of attraction, and if you are having parties or gatherings, keep your space clear, and I hope the people you spend time with take responsibility for their own energy and points of attraction. So now, let's go back to the fun stuff, communication. This happens in different ways, starting from the easiest, which is lucid dreaming and astral travel. It starts with setting the intention when you go to sleep, and the next morning, write the chronicles of your journey in your journal if you do journaling. Crystals to help with this are amethyst and rainbow moonstone for lucid dreaming and dream recall, black obsidian for grounding, and clear quartz and apophyllite for astral traveling. You can combine these crystals in a medicine pouch or place them in your pillow, and hopefully you'll remember that the following morning if it's laundry day. You can also create a crystal grid to open communication portals, like the grid using the sacred geometry of Metatron's cube. In this grid, I use high vibration crystals to communicate with guides, and for those of you who have strong affinity for that, angelic realms. The master crystal is celestite, the inner ring is made of angelite, and the outer ring is amethyst. In the energy lines, we have selenite, but you can also use double points of clear quartz. I hope your communication with the proverbial other side is productive and uplifting, and your travels are joyful. Keep up with good vibrational housekeeping. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, be well, have fun, and do more magic.